All right, today at Coyote Classics, we're checking out an absolutely beautiful 1968 Mustang Fastback. This is one of the prettiest Mustang Fastbacks I've seen. I love the color combination on this thing, and I love the fact that the color combination is original to the car. It's freezing cold, so that's not smoke from the tailpipes that you're seeing. That's just condensation. It's probably 12 degrees today, but the car looks so great. I had to do the video. So from the factory, this is a Gulfstream Aqua exterior car with Aqua luxury vinyl bucket seat interior. It's got the overhead console in it. It was a factory J code car, which Dave means a factory 302 4-barrel car, which I think 68 was the first year they offered that. Also has air conditioning, AC works, been converted over.
Power steering, power brakes.
Yep, and just a beautiful restoration. I mean, bottom side of the hood paint's perfect. The turn signals in the hood work. I noticed that when I pulled it around. There's that 302, just like it would have came off the assembly line with. All new bolts when they did the restoration. Paint on the inner fenders is beautiful. And you can look at the inner fender aprons and tell that it's never been.
And it's super clean.
Like
I mean, look under the hood here. I mean, somebody put a lot of time and money into it.
Yes, they did. Really nice body lines on it as well. Front bumper's been replaced. Front grill's in excellent shape. Does have the GT style fog lights. They also went ahead and put the GT stickers on it when they did this restoration. Deluxe hood, of course, which gives you the turn signals in it. Give you kind of that dual reverse scoop look.
Love the black lines on it. Yeah. And those wheels just are fantastic with this paint.
Yeah, they are. They're perfect. Front disc brakes. And yeah, I just noticed that too. I said the bumpers were coming. Definitely looks like it has, but it does have some scuffing on that. The metallic in this paint is gorgeous too. Bottom of the door tucks in there perfect. Rocker molding looks great. But the best mesh with this Fastback is that interior. And we do have on our website, go there, coyoteclassics.com. When you go to this car, you'll see all the Marti Report pictured, along with the door tag, and it's got a deluxe Marti Report too that breaks this car down to being a 101 as it was equipped from the factory, which is pretty unique.
Wow, 101, that's crazy. I see it's got the light in the door.
Yep, and with that deluxe interior, you get this wood grain, grab handles, full console with the overhead console too, which I always love in these Mustangs. Interior's in damn near perfect shape. All the brushed aluminum here. Dash is in excellent shape as well. Door jamb paint. It's one of the first things we look at whenever we look at a car is the door jambs and the paint in the door jambs. It tends to tell you a lot about, the restoration. You can see on this one corner the doors are rust free and the door jambs were painted properly with the strikers taken off during paint.
Yeah, it just shows that it was done well.
Not only front disc, you got 4-wheel disc brakes, making this thing stop awesome. I mean, I guess you almost classify it as a resto mod that way with 4-wheel disc brakes in the vintage air. Over the roof is perfect.
Yep. I love the back end of these.
Yeah, me too.
And the taillights, obviously the fastbackness of it, just stellar design.
Beautiful GT gas cap. We've had a lot of fastbacks and I've loved them all, but there's just something about this one with the color, the options.
And the rims. I don't know, the wheels just do it.
Yeah, they do. Looks just how you'd want one to look. I haven't really seen much for imperfections besides the front bumper. If you see anything, Dave shouted out. But
yeah, I'm not. Great door lines. The door looks like it tucks in nice. I like the black stripes along the bottom. I was wondering about the black on the fastback part there, but it goes well really nicely with the black stripes on the bottom.
Yeah, it does. And if a guy ever wanted to change it, they're super easy to pop off and shoot body color, but to each their own, and gives it a little different look.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just excited to see how quick this thing is. It's a cold day, but we'll get her warmed up and and take it for a spin.
That's why I wanted to do the video with it.
Again, door panels are gorgeous. Jams are just as nice on this side. And what I was talking about, as you can see, the strikers, they were taken apart. The car was painted apart and then put back together.
So on the ceiling, what do we got there, just for the people that aren't versed with Mustangs?
Yeah, that's an overhead console. So it's a factory option. Get your map light.
Okay.
Pretty neat. I always like to see them in there. Not too many of them had.
Well, it looks like this, just the headliner's in super nice shape, as long as everything else in here.
Yeah, it is. Fold down rear seat, of course, in the back. The back sheet's in good shape. No Chad today. He's preparing for the company Christmas party, so Dave and I are rocking some of these videos out.
I'm excited to see that it's got a sound system in here, speakers in the kick panels, and then the speakers in the back there,
Yeah,
those
you
boxes.
got those speakers back there, and then, like Dave said, you got them in the kick panels as well. Looks like a new Mustang retro radio. They also went ahead and did some autometer gauges.
Those look awesome.
Yeah, that way tells you exactly what you're reading there. Wipers work, and there they go. Horn works. Your heat and air work, as I mentioned. Got your little secret compartment in here.
Uh-oh.
If you ever want to hide something from your wife.
Can of beer.
Yep. I love these Mustangs, but sometimes I kind of fit like a bear on a bicycle in here at 6'4", 260 pounds. But it's all about how much fun it is to drive, not necessarily the comfort.
Oh, I like this.
How about that sound too? Here's your 4-wheel disc brakes. Perfect. Turn signals up in the hood work. I pulled a Chad, I had it in low. I thought only Chad did that, but now I can't give him shit anymore.
This is great.
90 miles an hour. Goes down the road awesome. Kick downwards. Wow. Just sounds fast. Awesome. Tack works, gas gauge works, oil pressure. We got 50 pounds here as it's warmed up. Badass car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put the link down in the comments section of this video. But thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.